Hello class 6, welcome back to our channel. So class 6, as you all know, we are covering our chapter number 3 from our history book, that is in the earliest cities. And in the previous video, beta ji, we have covered about the Harappan houses, the drainage system and the objects also. Those were found in the Harappan cities. Like seals were there, and the pictures we also shown to you in the previous video. Here you can see, and some toys which were made up of terracotta material. Yes, so today we'll cover the new crafts in the city, and we discussed about that Harappan cities. In Harappan cities, many people were craft person. So let's take some examples and the objects that were made and found in Harappan cities. Yes, so archaeologists found the objects made up of stone, shell, metal, and in metal they found copper, bronze, gold and silver. Copper and bronze, they were used to make tools, weapons, ornaments and vessels, and gold and silver, they were used to make ornaments and vessels. So basically all the metals you can see here, the Harappan people were used for their making the objects. It means कि आपके पास अगर gold copper नहीं है, so we can estimate this thing कि दूसरे स्टेट से, दूसरे कंट्रीज से, आसपास के एरिया से, डिस्टेंट प्लेसेस से मेटल्स को कैरी किया जा रहा है, लेके आया जा रहा है. सो ट्रेड इज वन ऑफ द ऑक्यूपेशन दैट वी लर्नड इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो, दैट rulers sent many people to distant places to carry or to like bring the material like copper, bronze and etc. So here we can see the evidences also, like the tools were found, weapons were found, some pictures you can see. First of all, you can see the stone weights. Weights were made up of stones, and these were made up of chert. Chert is like a kind of stone, and these were also found, and the purpose to weight like measure the weights, किसी को weight measure करने के लिए these stone weights were used. Then you can see the beads, and many of these were made up of carnelian. Carnelian, a beautiful red stone you can see. So इनको कट करके शेप किया जाता था, then polish किया जाता था, and finally उसको thread में डाल के they used as a necklace or as a ornament. So this one like chert was found, that was the material. Terracotta, terracotta से toys बन रहे थे. Here you can see the carnelian, जिससे आपने necklaces या फिर ornaments बनाए. And then you can see stone blades. Stone blades are also found. And one more picture is found here, like embroidered cloth. A stone statue of an important man found from Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro was one of the important sites, as you all remember, that great baths, like a big tank of water जो कि हमने occasionally use किया था. All these things were found in Mohenjo-daro. That was very important site. So this is one of the evidence that they found in this site, where the man wearing a embroidered garment. So यहाँ से भी एक चीज समझ आ गई बच्चा, अगर embroidered garment का statue found हुआ है, it means people were using these kinds of cloths. Yes, so all these objects and the Harappan seals were made up of stone, and basically these all are in rectangular size, and उसके ऊपर एक animal carve कर दिया जाता था, like you can see in this picture, like animal एक उसको carve कर दिया and कुछ script लिख दी गई थी. So all these objects we found, the archaeologists found in the Harappan cities. And then you can see like some evidences of cotton also found in the place Mehergarh. Mehergarh is one of the again important site of Harappan cities. So actual pieces of cloths were found, मिले, found हुए cloths के pieces, और जो किससे attached थे, those were found attached to the lid of a silver vase, and some copper objects and Mohenjo-daro also found. So कुछ cotton के pieces मिले. Cotton के pieces is proving this thing कि yes, those people were used cotton also, even the silver also, copper objects in Mohenjo-daro, and even archaeologists found the spindle whorls like to make the cloth, to make the thread. So all these objects have been found in the Harappan sites, and all these were made up of terracotta, and one more term you can see, the material हमने बेटा टेराकोटा कवर किया, ठीक है. आप देखेंगे अब वन मोर मटेरियल यू कैन सी हियर, लाइक फायंस इज लाइक अ वन अनदर काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल, एंड दैट वाज यूज्ड इन आर्टिफिशियली उसको प्रोड्यूस किया जाता था, एंड this material is used to make beads, bangles, earrings and tiny vessels also, and this material gave the different colors like red, blue, and different colors were given. So this was one of the kind of material the Harappan cities people used. Yes, and here you can see all these things like seals, toys, beads, ornaments, each and everything, all these materials were produced and probably the work of specialist. मीन्स ऐसे किसी ने रैंडमली नहीं बनाया बच्चा इसको, बहुत स्पेशलिस्ट पीपल वर एंगेज्ड इन दीज काइंड्स ऑफ वर्क. यहाँ पर आप देख के थोड़ा सा आइडिया लगाइए, आपको लगता है कि ये रैंडमली बन गई हैं चीज़ें? नो, इसके लिए क्रिएटिविटी दिखनी चाहिए, आपको वो वर्क भी आना चाहिए. तो येस, पीपल वर स्पेशलिस्ट देयर. Specialist means important definition, a person who is trained to do only one kind of work. वो एक ही तरह का काम कर करके perfection आ जाएगी उसमें, like cutting the stone, polishing the beads or carving seals etc. So here the specialist people were there definitely. That is why all the objects are in very good condition, and all these were very innovative ideas here we can see. So people at that time, जो इतना पुराना समय है उसमें भी अगर इतनी creativity we can see, तो it means specialist people were there. Yes, so specialist सब जगह नहीं थे. We do not know whether only men were specialist, और ऐसा कुछ evidence नहीं मिला कि specialist कौन थे, some women or men, no idea. But yes, we came to know to this thing that craft person were there, specialist people were there, and they made different objects and they used in these cities, and all these objects have been found by the archaeologists in the Harappan cities. So class 6, this is enough for today's session. We'll cover the next topic in next class. Thank you.